Hi guys, what's up and welcome to this week's video. So this week I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra right here. So I pre-ordered it and it arrived on the 21st of August, but I was having laser eye surgery that week. Now that my eyes have pretty much recovered, they're still a bit red, I am now ready to unbox this. So let's get into it. We hope you like your order. And of course I can claim the Galaxy Buds Live, which I'm very excited to claim, in the color Mystic Bronze. I'm going to unbox this now. The front of the phone and the back. Okay, oh wow, that is a shine, let me tell you that. This thing at the back, this massive camera module, it's pretty big and you definitely feel it on the back of your phone. It's a pinky rose gold color and these sides are a bit more purple. From the front it looks pretty much the same as my Note. From the back, that's where it varies. Of course the color is beautiful. Rose gold is one of my favorite colors. My watch is rose gold. A lot of the things I own are rose gold. So let's just turn it on now. And whilst that's turning on, I'm just gonna see what else we get in the box. Of course, we have our fast charger. This is probably the same one as before. You get the wire for it. And then you also have the AKG headphones, which and the ear tips for it. These headphones are actually pretty good. These came with the Note 10 Plus as well, and I actually prefer them to a lot of the other headphones I own. The sound quality of these is really good. And we have the quick start guide and this little pin to open up the SIM card tray. It probably weighs the same as my old phone, which was the Note 10 Plus 5G, which is the predecessor of this phone. This thing is definitely there because every time I pick up the phone, I kind of do feel it a little bit. I'm not sure if that's a good thing, but I think you would just get used to it. In terms of the phone's bezels and the look, I mean, it doesn't seem any bigger. Yeah, it just seems a little bit faster, a little bit more smoother when I'm typing things, or maybe it's just because the phone is empty right now. Yeah, that screen refresh rate, I can definitely see a difference in the way that the animations are done and the way that things move. It's definitely cleaner and smoother. It's a very slight difference, of course. Oh, also the keys are on the right hand side instead of on the left, so I keep on going to the left to kind of unlock and lock it. But if you look at the face recognition, so for example if it's here and I pick it up, I think it's definitely faster. I don't even complete the swipe and it already unlocks. It's a very nice phone. Of course, it's not a major upgrade from my previous Note 10 Plus. I mean, I was pretty happy with that phone and I didn't get bored of that phone even after a year. I probably could have waited another year, but I just thought, you know, if I trade in my old device and get this, at least I'll have the latest technology. And I think when you set it down, yeah, it doesn't lie straight because of that massive camera module at the back. But you know what? If that performs well and it records 8K, which it does, then I wouldn't be complaining because it's still a very sleek and smooth device and the color looks great. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it so far. So now I'm just gonna grab my Note 10 Plus and just do a quick side-by-side comparison, just very quickly. Of course, I'm gonna be making a very in-depth review of this phone. So this is my Note 10 Plus, which I've had for the past year, and this is the Note 20 Ultra. God, can they not make phone names short? Note 20 Ultra 5G. Like I said, from the front they look pretty similar. The back is where it varies. I think this is prettier, but this is pretty good as well. You know, this Aura Glow color, I really like this color as well. And the back of this actually feels nicer. I prefer this, the finish of this bag. This is a slight matte finish, but I don't know, I like it to glow a little bit. But yeah, still very nice, I'm not complaining. Even if you look at the size, I mean, yeah, the Note 20 is bigger. So yeah, that's my first impressions of the Note 20 Ultra. I will be probably glued to this phone all day exploring all its features. If you don't want to miss out on any of the other videos I will be making related to this and other kinds of content that I make on my channel, then be sure to subscribe. So that's pretty much it for this week's video. I'll see you in my next video, so until then, take care.